Have you ever thought that the App Store itself might run in the background, collect information about you, or download things without you noticing? This isn't a virus, and it's not a hack. These are default settings already on your iPhone, and if you leave them as they are, your phone may consume internet, battery, and even change what you see without you realizing. In this video, I'll show you 3 hidden settings in the App Store. Changing them takes less than a minute, but the difference is huge. First setting, personalized recommendations. First, open. Settings. Then scroll down to App Store. After that, scroll to the privacy section. You'll find personalized recommendations. This setting allows the App Store to build a profile of your interests, meaning the apps you search for or open, and it uses that to recommend similar apps to you. The problem? This means your usage is being analyzed, and the more you use it, the more accurate the recommendations become. If you don't need that, it's better to turn it off to reduce tracking and make recommendations less dependent on your personal activity. Tap on Account Settings. Then turn off Personalized Recommendations. Second setting, Automatic Downloads. Go back to the App Store page again. Near the top, you'll find Automatic Downloads. If this setting is enabled, your iPhone may download apps or updates automatically without you noticing. This can cause internet usage, battery drain, storage filling up quickly. If you don't want this happening in the background, it's better to turn it off and keep downloads under your control. You'll receive a notification in the App Store when updates are available. Tap the notification and update whenever you want. Third setting, in-app ratings and reviews. On the same App Store page, scroll down a bit. You'll find in-app ratings and reviews. This setting allows apps to ask you for a rating while you're using them suddenly. It's not dangerous, but it's annoying and interrupts your app usage. If you don't want these messages to appear, turn it off and you'll notice a big difference. This was part 4 of the privacy and security series. You'll find links to the videos in the description and the pinned comment. Finally, try changing these 3 settings. Then monitor. Did the battery improve? Did internet usage decrease? Write in the comments which setting was enabled on your device. If you want me to continue the series, write part 5. If the video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, because there are many other hidden settings already on your phone that most people don't know about.